All right, in this example, we are going to focus on how to graph by hand circles with given equations for us. So we're going to start with x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 9. We can graph these in Desmos and check our answers. So what we'll do is we'll identify the center and the radius per our last example. Our center is going to be the opposite of the signs that are in the parentheses. So your h and k come from here. So our center will be positive 3 and negative 2. So we start by graphing that point. We're going to go right 3 and down 2. And there's your coordinate for your center. Now it equals 9. And remember that that number at the end is r squared. So r is going to be the square root of 9. In this case, it's 3. So to graph a radius, you don't really graph a radius. You go out the radius length in all 4 directions from the center. So we want to go 3 units to the right, up, down, and left. So from that point at the center, I would like to go from that point up 3, from the center, right 3, from the center down 3, and from the center left 3. And draw your best circle through those points. It does not need to be perfect. No one's judging you on your circle drawing skills. That's your circle. Let's verify that on the graph of Desmos, it looks like what we did on paper. It'll look better if we do it right. So let me minimize this, bring it over here. And let's graph parentheses x minus 3, close parentheses, shift 6 squared, x minus 3 squared, plus y plus 2, close parentheses, squared, equals 9. Let me hide that, and let's take a look. And that graph looks like it's in the right spot. If I want to make sure that I'm getting the right points, I can always plot the coordinate of the center and make sure that lies right in the middle there. And it looks like it does. If I don't, it's not going to tell me the radius, but you can get different points here by clicking, and it'll almost always give you, with maybe the exception of 1 or 2 points, the points directly above, below, left, and right. For some reason, this one's not showing, but if you hover over it and click on it, it'll give you 6, negative 2. So all those points are 3 units away from the center. Very good. U-graph part B. Pause the video, sketch it out, graph it on Desmos, check with me when you're done. Are you ready? Well, h doesn't have a number, so that's going to be 0. K is going to be 5. It's going to be the opposite of this minus 5, so positive 5. R squared equals 4. R is the square root of 4. The square root of 4 is 2. We're ready to plot. So we're going to plot the point 0, 5. So I'm going to need to go up 5. There's your center. I need to go 2 units in all 4 directions. So I got to go up 2 from the center, right 2, down 2, and left 2. Your circle should go through those 4 points, best you can draw. Graph it on Desmos. And I'm convinced that's true. So that's all there is to that. Graph them by hand. You don't really have to do much by hand on these because you can use a calculator, but that's how you do it. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.